All right, so we're going to take a look at a couple of fractional equations. Now you notice that each of them have fractions in them, obviously. um, the first one, uh, for the first one, the method we're going to use is going to be guess and check. So our goal is to figure out which of these four answers we'll plug in for x and see what one of them on the left side over here is going to give us the same answer on the right side. So let's say if we started and we thought it was number 2, we thought it was answer 10. So what we'll do is we'll take our 10 and we'll put those values in. So we got 10 in for both x values. Okay. Now if we do it this way, we get 20 over 3, and then 10 over 6. We're seeing if that equals 5. Now I know that this 20 over 3 is going to be over 6, because if I divide it, it's going to be 6.6 to the bar. So that's going to make choice 2 not correct. Now, since that was too high, I think I'm going to try choice 1. So with choice 1, we got 2 times 6. Do it a different color. So we got 2 times 6 over 3 plus 6 over 6 equals 5. So we get 12 over 3 plus 6 over 6 equals 5. Now these two over here simplify. So we got 4 plus 1 equals 5. So that one does check. That makes that our answer. Okay. Now for the other one, we're going to go another route. And what we're going to do is we're going to solve it for x. So the second equation, we have 2/3 x plus 1/2 equals 5/6. Now it's just going to behave like a two-step equation. So we're going to start by trying to get x by itself. We'll subtract half on each side. So the positive and negative 1/2 will cancel out. And we got 5/6 minus 1/2. Again, if you're using a calculator, put them in parentheses. So now we got 2/3 x on the left side. That's going to equal 5/6 minus 1/2. Now, if you use the calculator, just make sure you put in parentheses. So 5/6 minus 1/2 will be 1/3. Now we got to divide both sides by 2/3. And again, we can use a calculator for that. Just again, make sure you use parentheses. So it looks something like this in the calculator. 1 divided by 3, close parentheses, divided by parentheses, 2 divided by 3. Okay. So doing that, we're going to get x is 2. Now again, you could do guess and check for this other one also. It'll work for all those examples, especially on multiple choice questions.